Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And right now I'm having a lot of fun with some beauty finds and holiday gift ideas and whatnot. And so I have been filming away. I've got a lot of great stuff that I've already shared, and I have a lot of fun stuff to share within the next month. So anyway, I'm having a filming marathon today, and this video is just going to be some miscellaneous stuff. I never shared because I got this late and I think I was out of town, but I got the EyeScream Beauty bag. So I'm going to share that. There's 3 items in here, and then I got a few things from Ipsy, so I'm going to share that. And anyway, just some miscellaneous stuff. So let's get to it. All right, friends, I want to thank you for being here. I appreciate your support. I would love it if you'd subscribe, hit the like button, do those things to support my channel if you wish. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. And so here, I don't know what to do first. I might as well just do the EyeScream Beauty bag. I didn't do this as a separate video because there's only 3 items in it. And like I said, it's actually from October. So there's 3 things in here. The first thing we always get, this is $16. Well, I think it was $12.50, $13, and then you add tax and shipping, so ends up being around $16. So usually they have anywhere from 3 to 5 items, but sometimes if you get nicer items, they'll just be 3, which is the case this month. There's 3 items. There's always a eyeshadow palette in here. And so the first thing I have here, this is eyeliner. And it's just it's kind of a pink shimmer, and I don't know if I'll use it or not, but if it works, if it stays, I'm doing a fine line here. So that's what it looks like. It's kind of fun. It's looking a little bit orange to me, but orange or pink, I don't know. Anyway, this, because it was October, it was kind of meant to be like a Halloween type. Their box, they focus on breast cancer awareness in October. And I think this one was a little bit more of a Halloween type box. But anyway, that's the first product. It's really pretty and fun. I'm just not sure I'm going to use it, but I might try it with a fun look. It's kind of good. And let's see what's happening. If it dries, I didn't let it dry fully, but anyway, I just worried about it staying power and all that. So the next thing is a lip product. This is from Ace Beauty. It's packaged beautifully, and I love that. Isn't that just so cute? Some of the packaging on these things we get from EyeScream Beauty are just really fun. So it almost looks like a perfume, but let's take this off. It is a lipstick, and ooh, I like the color. It's kind of a raisin type color. I don't know. I like it. So let me try that. Oh, actually, it's very brown. So I'm not sure I do like it. Anyway, there's the color. I don't know. Could I wear brown? Maybe. I don't know. So there's that. I'm debating with my EyeScream Beauty whether I think I'm going to get rid of one, either the bag or the box, maybe both. But if I kept one, would I keep the box or the bag? I don't know. I really like the bags though, for the price. But this is from Goraman Girls, and they give you a choice of either a highlighter palette or an eyeshadow palette. It's got like little ice cream, there we go. That's what it looks like. It's got some good colors. I like it. You know, the middles are all shimmers. I love having shimmers in different colors. I'm not sure if this is one I'll use just because I have so many eyeshadow palettes. So it might be one I give away. So anyway, that's that. So these are the 3 products: the lip, the eyeshadow, and the eyeliner. So those are my 3 products from EyeScream Beauty for October. Now I'm going to go to, I shared a haul I got from Ulta, but there was one item I forgot to put in it, so I'm going to share that. This is Harley Quinn. It's from Essence Makeup. It's an eyeshadow palette. I just thought it was really cute. It was inexpensive, and it popped out somewhere. It popped up, and I looked at it and thought, that's fun. I thought my granddaughter might like it. So it's just pinks. It's got a mirror on it, and then it's just some fun pinks. It's got some hearts in the middle. So I kind of picked that up thinking maybe my granddaughter, or it was fun. So Essence is a good one, of a really good cheaper brand of makeup. So there's that. The next items I have here are from Ipsy. I think some of these are still available in the shop. I got eye brush kit. I'm kind of a sucker for these when I find them inexpensive. And this one is from Laurice, and they have pretty good brushes. They're not bad for a, you know, a cheaper brand. Let me see. Get this open. Okay, so it's really cute. Little cute package. Open it up here, and we've got 4 brushes, just like kind of like an eyeshadow. Cute pink. I like this. This makes a good gift for someone. Also, it's nice even to travel because it's got the case. But anyway, so there's that. And let's see. The next thing I have, I've purchased twice before. I'm using it every day. It's like my favorite. I am becoming a huge fan of beautyproducts. And this one is called the Tea Time. This is the face oil, and it's an expensive product, but you can get it in the shop sometimes. I keep watching, like, I think it was $18, and then I think I picked it up when it went to $12. I have no idea exactly what it is now, but I've seen it go back up too. So sometimes they do that. Sometimes they like to discount something for a certain sale, and then it'll go back to a higher price. But this oil is like my favorite. So I don't mind having a backup. I thought I did pick up an extra one because it was a really good buy, and I have someone I think I might like this as a gift. So anyway, so it's kind of a gift, I think, and that's what these things are too. I happen to pick up 5 of these. I don't think they're all the same color. So these are gifts. I just happen to love this lip gloss. It's from Kiss and Schmink. It's a pink. It's just a good pink. So it's just a fun lip gloss. It has a big doe foot that I like. Actually, it's not as big as I thought. But anyway, so it's a good color. I'm not going to test it because, like I said, I want to give these as gifts. So anyway, there's that. 5 of those. And is this the last thing I have here? But the last thing I have here is from Ole Henriksen. So Ole Henriksen is a great brand. It can be a pricey brand. This is a body cream, a body moisturizer. They had a good price on it, and I wanted to try it because I love good body creams. Really light scent, not much of a scent. I was kind of hoping it'd be something that stood out right away as pretty, but not really. It has a good feel to it. I'm going to put it on my arm here because, oh, really like it. Oh my gosh, that's wonderful. Okay, it's super, it just makes the skin already look super refreshed and plump. And anyway, I really like it. So anyway, it doesn't have a really great smell. I have stuff on my hand, so I didn't want to put it on my hand here until I get that off. But anyway, so that is mine now because I've used it, opened it and used it, and I really like it. So I'm excited about that. A good body butter. So I probably would recommend that if it's still in the shop. I know there's a Fenty Beauty one too that I just got. I haven't tried it yet, so I don't know which one's better, but I know they were both in the shop at one time. So anyway, that's it. That's my little makeup haul. So right there. And so this is was just a small thing. I just wanted to share a few things I got. If you are interested in some of these are fun little gift ideas. So that's it. So thank you for being here. I appreciate your support. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.